Oh no, no. Oh, no, 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 no.
How are you going to open that bottle, Stu?
Bottle opener, flip-flop.
Oh my Gideon, whose idea was this? Campsite shut, campsite shut, campsite shut, campsite shut. Ended up staying down here.
Holy crapola. Yeah.
That is so much fun. Just a 30-40 miles an hour, just so much fun.
That was fantastic.
Just enjoying that. Just enjoying that.
Good.
It's a good Saturday afternoon road, that, I tell you. If I knew it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Done that a couple of times, you can have a real ball or not.
Mary had a little lamb.
Another one.
Another one.
How many did she have?
Don't know, but their fleeces were as white as snow.
Action.
Take two.
Hi. Snowdon is just there. Not that. That's not Snowdon. Snowdon is just there, but you can't see it.
Hey, how you doing there?
This is pure luxury. This is
Bubbles have climbed
Steam
out
bath.
of the bath and onto the floor.
out the way of the view. Excuse me.
You mean the view of the toilet?
I may be late for supper. Can you see that? There's plastic bags to keep my sat-nav stuff dry. There's my tent. Home, sweet home. Tra-la-la-la-la-la. Home. Ah! I'm not so sure if I've caught the sun. Oh, I might have done. Oh well, you've got to take the rough with the smooth. At least I'm dry.
We reckon it's because the air is really thin up
It
here.
is, the air is thinner. Ted's got a friend, look. Here he is.
Hello, what's your name? My name's Percy.
That road, fucking brilliant.
You like the hat?
Oh.
Hello, baby.